When cleaning windows, you normally want something that cuts through the grease and grime and is also fairly slippery. Most window washers use some type of dishwashing liquid, but the only problem with this is that that can be a little sudsy, and you don't want foam in your solution. You want to break down the dirt and grime. You want to help the squeegee glide, but you don't want to see it on the glass if you make a mistake, and you don't want to see a cloudy film around the edges. Ettore Squeegee-Off is the perfect solution because it cuts through the grease and grime, helps the squeegee glide, and is made of a very low foam solution. Just one small squirt in a bucket is all you need.